guys, what is up? It's Anna. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we are gonna be doing an unboxing of my first ever YouTube PR package. I have received PR packages from brands before, but all of those are Instagram. Like, they asked me to post it on my Instagram story or on my Instagram, but I've never received a PR package specifically for my YouTube. So this one is like, it's a milestone. All of the links of the items that's gonna be on the box, on the description box below. So we are gonna be opening up this box. This one's from yesstyle. They sent it over to me. This is their K-drama box. So everything that's in here are Korean products. As you can see, wala na tong laman. Solely for props. But I already opened it and I'm filming this intro last. So I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's go to the unboxing. This was sent to my old address, so it got a little bit later to me. 11. There's 11 products in here. Ay, nakalagay na pala sa baba. But I'm not gonna show you kasi it has my address on it. There, ayan, may listahan kasi siya sa labas ng mga items that you're gonna expect. Wait lang. Daming laman ito, guys. So, okay. Nakikita niyo ba yung nakikita ko? Guys, tingnan niyo. It's super cute. Ooh, and holographic. Super... Ilang beses ko sabihin yung cute. Thank you so much again, yesstyle. They got me this little card. Sorry guys, may dye pa sa... Nagkulay ako, so may dye pa sa finger ko. But yesstyle says, hope you will like it. I love it already. It says for you. Super cute. Okay. First thing na nakikita ko is this. This is the Cherry True Bony Lipstick in the shade Vintage Brown. Okay, let's see it. I'm definitely more of a nude gal when it comes to lipsticks. So hearing Vintage Brown, I'm expecting it to be a little bit on a darker nude, which I actually really like. So, oh my gosh, ang cute ng packaging! So it's from the brand Korinko. So, ooh, okay, it's like a deep red brownish color. It's satin. It has like a satin finish. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. I can maybe use this as a little blush. Packaging. Oh my gosh, as you can see, I've been into pink lately, so super cute packaging. And then the next thing that I see here is the Peach Cotton Multi-Finish Powder. Okay. So it's just your regular loose powder, I think. We will try that. I'm very excited. And the packaging, oh my gosh. Korean products have the best packaging. And then we have, this is Weird and Chic Neon Moon from Romand. Romand is a good brand. I'm pretty sure I've heard that. I've not tried any of their products, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Oh, it's a cute little blush. I love me some blush. You guys know that's the only makeup that I pretty much wear, so I'm very excited to try this one out. Super cute. Next thing is the Keep Cool Soothe Bamboo Mini Kit. Oh, tatlo siya. Kit nga eh. Tatlo siya sa loob. Oh my gosh. I need me some new skincare because I've been bringing out. There's a little card on how you use it, which is great, and then it's a full-on set. Oh my god. If I will like it, there's a Keep Cool and Soothe Serum. So this is that. Super cute ng packaging. The color, oh my god. And then this is the toner. Okay. And this is the moisturizer. It's a lotion. Okay. I'm very excited to try this one. I'll update you guys in a future vlog if I like it or what. Next, we have some rollers. Oh my god. And then it comes with this little chuk-chak para makip-replace mo siya. Cute. I get it. Because it's like K-pop. Diba lagi sila may bangs? So, pag ganun siguro nila ito ng bangs. Okay. Okay, I see you. Next, we have... Oh my gosh. I actually have tried this one. This is the Esfolio Aloe Essence Mask Sheet. My whole family, we're suckers for aloe vera and specifically mask sheet. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for sure, and then have a little skincare night. Like, there's so much. I'm gonna share this with my sister and Ate Pam. Oh my gosh, they're gonna love this. I love it. And then we have, obviously, as you guys know, we have this. I've actually tried this. This is the Samyang na carbonara. It will expire. So, pwede siya kainin. Okay, I'm gonna eat this later. The weather's super chilly, and it's just a perfect day for a good noodle. Next is some more skincare. I love me some new skincare because I never ever buy my own skincare. All of my skincare are either... The only thing that I buy of my own money sa skincare ko is my facial wash from Simple. But other than that, everything's pretty much a gift. So I love. These are cleansing balm. These are good if you wear makeup a lot kasi I think these are oil-based. Packaging is something, me as a consumer and as a producer, packaging is something that I really appreciate because it's so much effort and creative process that goes into packaging. I definitely appreciated that aspect, the creative process of it more once I have my own brand. So I love a good packaging. So this one is the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Nourishing, and this one's the Cleansing Balm Purifying. So bawat color iba-iba sila na ginagawa. This blue one is the Revitalizing, and then the other one's their original. Okay, again, I'm gonna update you guys if I'm gonna like it or what. And then we have some stickers. OMG, I'm gonna give this to my brother. Super cute little stickers. Peng Su. Have not heard of that, but it's a penguin. And then we have some clothing. Well, not some. We have a clothing item which is again pastel. I love. This is in 5XL. Oh my god. 5XL na to? Guys, tingin nyo. 5XL. Sakto lang sa aking t-shirt to, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I can definitely see myself wearing this, and oh my gosh, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop it and then create a little headband for the rest of it. It's super cute. It's just that I don't really wear regular tops. I always wear crop tops. So I think I'm gonna crop this. It's super cute though. Oh my gosh, the tie-dye. I'm living. Oh my gosh, I'm living. Thank you again, yesstyle, for sending this stuff over. I super love them. Make sure to check out yesstyle. All of the links of these products will be on the description box below. So if you want to try out some of this, link on the description. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like this little unboxing. If you want me to do more of this, then make sure to like this video and comment down below. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week with my Subic vlog. Bye! Peace and blessings! Stay safe and dry!